up guys, it's Gianna and I coming at you with another video. I'm pulling a Trisha Paytas today and coming to you from my bathroom floor. I'm not having a mental breakdown or anything. This is just a haul video, but Gianna's sleeping and I don't want to wake her up, so I'm locked in the bathroom right now so I can talk as loud as I want. So let's get into this haul. The other day, if you watched our vlog, we went to Target and we found some fall decor stuff, so I'm super excited to share that with you guys. Also, we went to Bath & Body Works. They were having a sale on their 3-wick candles and their hand soap. So of course I had to get some yummy fall scents and some winter scents, and I'm totally ready for the holidays. So let's get right into the Target stuff I got first, because you guys actually got to see us in Target. So the first thing I got was this cute little like table runner that I'm gonna do in the dining area on our round table. I love this. It's like a burlap material and it's plaid, so it's not like kitschy fall. It doesn't say like Thanksgiving all over it or pumpkins all over it, but it gives you that fall vibe, very cozy, plaid, kind of wintry, and I just think it's super cute and it's something that I can use every year. So I got a couple of like gold items. I'm really feeling this golden color they had going on at Target. So I got these napkins. For place settings, they have a little golden rooster on there and they're linen. They're really super soft. So I'm gonna wash those and put those out. I also got an oven mitt because I love doing, of course, a lot of baking for the holidays and stuff, and I'm gonna be cooking a lot. And I really did need a new oven mitt anyway, but this is perfect for fall. It has a pheasant, or is that a goose? I don't know. And the like little bunnies and the little pig. It's super cute. I also got some other kind of towels. These flour sack towels. They're good for drying, and I definitely need new towels. These have little golden pumpkins and squashes on them, and one of them's solid gold, and the other one has a pattern. I love stuff like that. I also got the measuring cups from Hearth and Hand. They have like that like old school vibe. They're nice and heavy, and I love that they're bowls. Then I got this centerpiece. Again, for the tablescape, it obviously needs to be like spruced back to life, but I love this color. We have a lot of neutrals and grays and stuff, so this will pop against the neutrals that we have and just give you that fall vibe without being like too over the top with it. So I got that for the tablescape, which will, I think, look great with the napkins. Look great with the napkins, and then this will be on the tablescape. I thought that was pretty. Give you a little masculinity, a little femininity, and I think this is wheat, which goes with the wreath I ended up getting, the wheat wreath. It sheds a lot, so I didn't want to bring it in the bathroom. I'll show it to you guys separately. I also got this little pretty coffee mug. Hello, gorgeous. I wanted to like inspire myself to start drinking tea, so I thought this cup was cute. I also got like a fall cup. Gather here with grateful hearts. This thing is huge. I'm like, is this a planter or are people actually drinking this amount of coffee? It's freaking huge. It was only $3. Last but not least, from Target, other than the wreath, which I'll show you guys in a minute, I got this cute little pumpkin. It was just in the Halloween section with all this like scary looking stuff, and there was this like cute little crocheted pumpkin. I like to kind of mix the masculine with the feminine, so, and then give it a nod to fall with the pumpkin, but not anything like jack-o'-lantern or anything like that. And I need to get some more pumpkins. I need to get some more stuff, but this is a great start. So that's everything I got from Target. So let's get into what I got from Bath & Body Works. So Bath & Body Works is definitely my favorite place to go for the fall because they have all the fall candles. They just invoke fall. They just get you ready. You have to go get your candles. You have to go get your hand soaps and any other thing that you need to make your house smell like fall. I mean, when you're decorating for, you know, a season, the smell of your home is a super essential step to like creating that ambiance of that season or holiday or whatever. Just a start. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff. You'll see people like piling up stuff, but I like to get a little bit, get a coupon, go get a little bit more, get a coupon, go get a little bit more. because I'm cheap. So the first candle I got is pumpkin apple. And as you know, with Bath and Body Works, you can get the same scent of candle in different kind of candle holders. So I got the white barn decor because I thought that was nice and understated, could go into winter if I still have the candle, and this will look great in the guest bathroom. And it smells so good. It's like sweet, a little bit of spice, and you get a little bit of the woodiness too. So you got your pumpkin, you got your apple, it's super fall. I love, love, love this candle. The next candle I got is called Crisp Morning Air. Oh, it kind of smells like men's cologne mixed with morning sun mixed with cold winter air. I got the fun little candle holder on this one. It's got a little, is that a skunk? I don't even know what kind of animal in there. It's got a cute little animal, like little leaves and stuff. So I thought that would be super cute. Next candle I got is called Harvest Gathering. It has a cute little, I think it's a cat right there. I thought that was really cute. And again, just really fall and quirky and just fun. And this one's nice and spicy. You can literally like smell your family's nice holiday outfits. I know that sounds weird, but that's what it smells like. Like, you know how when you hug your aunt and you haven't seen her in a long time, or your grandma, and they're all warm with their new outfits and they're smelling all good and they've been baking. Like literally that's what it smells like. So Harvest Gathering, that totally makes sense. And the last candle I got is Cranberry Woods. And this is a nice clean wood. It's not very heavy. It just smells beautiful. This one smells the most like fall. It just smells like autumn leaves and sun and cold crisp air. It's just a beautiful scent. I can't wait to burn this like as it gets a little cooler. I think for now what I will be burning first is the Crisp Morning Air. I love that. It's kind of getting us in the mood of, you know, fall, winter. And I will be putting the pumpkin apple in the guest room with one of the hand soaps I got to match. So I got the pumpkin apple hand soap to match. I also got the coconut pumpkin latte soap, and I got this one in the pumpkin butter version, so it's more hydrating and just really luscious on the skin. So I got that. And I also got pumpkin cupcake. I also got in the gentle foaming version, and this one smells super sweet and just really fun for fall. So I also got something super cute for my diaper bag. I got this little hand sanitizer holder. It's a little porcupine, I think, or a hedgehog. And then I got a bunch of little hand sanitizers. I got pumpkin cupcake. I got Your Magic. It has a little unicorn on it. I got I Like You a Latte. I love that. I love like little fun scents. It reminds me of the Bon Bell like lip smacker stuff. I mean, I'm really showing my age here, but that's what it reminds me of. I got Fall Lakeside Breeze. And I got Hello Sweet Baby. So that is everything I got from Bath and Body Works in Target. And then let me show you guys the wreath I got. So this is the wreath I ended up getting. I love this wreath. It's so cool looking. You like it, Mama? Yeah. So we're going to put this up. Little Mama is awake now, so I'm going to go spend some time with her. And I hope you enjoyed this haul. And we will see you guys tomorrow.